As an educator, researcher, and a book author, I am delighted to see the completion of this book. Python is a fun and extremely easy to use programming language that has steadily gained in popularity over the last few years. Developed over 10 years age ago by Guido van Rossum, Python's simple syntax and overall feel is largely derived from ABC, a teaching language that was developed in 1980s. However, Python was also created to solve real problems and it borrows a wide variety of features from programming languages such as C++, Java, Modula 3, and Schema. Because of this, one of the Python's most remarkable features in its broad appeal to professional software developers, scientists, researchers, artists, and educators. Despite Python's appeal to many different communities, you may still wonder why Python or why teaching programming with Python. Answering these questions is no simple task, especially when popular opinion is on the side of the more misogynistic alternatives such as C++ and Java. However, I think the most direct answer is that programming in Python is simply a lot of fun and more productive.